Yo guys, what's up? How are you doing? Today we are gonna recap another trading day. So let me just zoom out. This is the trade that I took, and I made around almost $9,000. As you can see, trade sinker, today's date, my name, as you can see, almost $9,000. And these are not all going into my bank account because I passed some of new evaluations, because I'm trying to go with max allocation with all the legit prop firms. These are the executions, and you can see also TradeZilla tracker over here. We are finally green on the week, and yeah, let's continue with analysis. I'm gonna just give me 1 second. I just want to zoom this everything. So yeah, I'm gonna just one more fine shit LRLR. These are just for my journaling things. So I'm gonna just guys remove everything, and we are gonna start from A to Z. So give me like 2 seconds. Okay, so guys, looking at 4-hour, you don't see much. On the 4-hour, you don't see much because there is not a single fair value gap. There is not a single liquidity sweep. So pretty much you can start with a 1-hour time frame. And here I'm gonna just replay. So over here you can see that we inversed this fair value gap. Look at this. We inversed this fair value gap. And also we left this tiny bullish fair value gap, as you can see, plus BPR, kind of BPR. Oh my god, these ads on YouTube are fucking pain in the ass, bro. So guys, look at this BPR over here, tiny BPR, perfectly respected by the price. You can see boom boom straight to the upside. And not only that we are respecting bullish gaps and disrespecting the bearish gaps, but also we left a bunch of LR, a bunch of stop losses are resting here. And then if we go to the lower time frame, you can also see on the 50-minute a bunch of LR over here resting, which means market is probably gonna just shoot to the upside and smash all these highs. That is just pretty much liquidity, and that's it. So looking back on the lower time frame, ideally I wanted to see guys this low. Let me just replay the price at 9:30. So ideally I wanted to see these lows over here getting hit, because we are inside of, you can see, not sorry guys, I wanted to see actually these ones over here, because these ones are inside of the bullish fair value gap. On the 5-minute as well, you can see we have bullish fair value gap, and I really wanted to see sweep. So I wanted to see something like this and then move to the upside, and unfortunately market didn't give us that. But what market gave us was this bullish fair value gap, still holding the price, you can see, and then from here we have this bearish fair value gap. Now if we go to the 1-minute, there was not a single fair value gap. On the 2 minutes, we actually inversed with very good momentum this fair value gap. On the 3 minutes, we inversed as well. But still, I was like, okay, this is looking good, but still, like, I'm not that much confident, guys, because we still have these almost equal lows, almost equal, actually, relative equal lows, sorry. So we have relative equal lows resting here, unmitigated gap resting here, plus if I'm right, I think that we also have alone. And I was like, okay, I'm more leaning to bullish bias, but still I want to see some sort of manipulation, guys. I still want to see some sort of meaningful liquidity sweep before I can take a trade and target all these lower resistance liquidity. But as you can see, what happened on the 1-minute was actually pretty sick. So I'm gonna just remove so you can see everything. We left on the 2-minute fair value gap, and I was looking like, okay, maybe we are gonna inverse this gap, smash these lows, and then go to the upside. But what actually happened, guys, we perfectly manipulated here. Look at this manipulation, guys. This is like screaming bullish. In the live time, we inverse this, like this all happened like in a few seconds, and I was like, okay, but this is like literally screaming right now bullish. And also at the same time, with this manipulation and respect of this bullish gap, we saw inversion, and you know that the inversion fair value gap is my entry model. So I entered the trade here. Stop loss was, I think, like 50 points. Stop loss was somewhere here, underneath this candle, because I didn't want to see price coming back here. And my take profit final TP was these highs for a little bit. Actually, my fill was a little bit better, so my fill was on this candle something like this, guys, and I was targeting 1 to 2 restore or something like this. And if we play the price, Oh my god, let me go back. If we play the price, you can see it literally skyrocketed to this upside drawn liquidity, because we have a lot of LR resting on the hard time frame, like I told you guys, and LR on the lower time frame, which is my favorite drawn liquidity. So that's pretty much it. Let me just exit this over here. I'm gonna show you executions one more time. Position execution marks, so you can see this was the entry, this was the exit. Over here, trade sinker. And yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for today's recap. We are finally green on the week, and yeah, that's gonna be it for this recap. I'm gonna see you tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Peace.